Hi, in this video I will show you how we can update our existing Apex instance. So as my existing Windows Apex instance is Oracle Database 21C, and I'm using Oracle Apex 21 24.1. So if I connect to my sysdba, so you can see my 21 Enterprise Edition database is installed. I have altered my session, and I goes to my PDB where my Apex is installed to show you my Apex, what version of Apex I already have on my system. So for that I will run the query, select version or select static from apex underscore release. So you can see that Apex version number is 24.1 is already there. So now I will upgrade my instance to the latest Oracle Apex 24.2, which is just recently released. So for that first of all I will download the software. For downloading the Apex, I will open my browser. I will go to my Oracle Apex download page. I will choose all languages, and my downloading is just begun. It will take a few minutes. So once it's downloaded, I will extract it in a location. In my case, the best location is E, and here is my 21 underscore 24, and here I will create a new folder that is Apex in small 24 and underscore 2, because there is already an Apex folder, so I'm creating with a different name. Select OK, extract it. It will again take a few minutes. So after the downloading and extraction of our Apex 24.2, the latest release, we will perform our upgradation. But before that I will log into my local host and show you that my Apex instance is running finely. So if I log into my internal workspace, internal, with my admin user, I will put my admin user password. So you can see here that it is also showing us that updates are available for Apex, and our Apex instance is 24.1 and 24.2 is available. But as I'm recording this video for the testing purpose, so it is recommended that do not apply this on your production environment. If you want to apply this upgradation on your production environment, so make sure you have taken all the backups of your existing apps, of your all the workspaces. So in my case I'm just making it for your information and for a demo purpose. So let's begin. So I will copy this path of my Apex 24.2 directory, and I will run the cmd as administrator. I will go to my path. So now I'm on the same directory. I already have the files extracted here. So make sure you have already uh, down this ORDS version, because we are performing an upgradation. So I will stop this by clicking the Control C. So my ORDS is 24.2, and now I will go back to my Windows of Apex upgradation with my path Apex 24.2. So here I will run the SQL plus and connect to my sysdba. After that, as it's my 21C PDB, so I have one PDB here. So I will alter my session. I will alter my session to my PDB, and now here my PDB is my connection name is PDB ORCL PDB1. So here I will perform the upgradation. For that I will run the command apex install and .sql, and I will use the default table space sysaux, and for temporary table space I will use a temp, and I will run this command because my Apex instance is already installed here. So my installation is begun, and it will take a few minutes. After the complete installation, as showing on the screen, the Apex is installed now. So if I run the CMD now and go to my SQL Plus with the sysdba, I'm altering my session. Now if I run the command select static from apex underscore release, so you can see my Apex is upgraded successfully. Now for running my Apex as a standalone, I also need to upgrade my ORDS, so I will download the ORDS. My existing ORDS was 24.2 and the latest one is 24.4. So I will download the software first. I will extract it in a different location. There is a ORDS folder, but it is old, so I will create a new here with the ORDS and it's a 24.4. Make sure there is no space in the name. Okay, the ORDS is extracted now. We will create a config folder for our configuration files, and I will copy this path and I will run the CMD. So for installing the ORDS and its configuration, the Java JDK is a must required. So if you don't know how to install and how to configure that, you can check my previous video on this same series. I will add the link in the description. So I will check my Java version. So it's 17, which is clearly install the required software. Now I will run here the command java-jar and ORDS and then install and our configuration path. Java-jar java-jar ORDS var and my configuration path. And install. So I will choose the my connection type here. We'll go with the default. My default database instance is at localhost. My port is 1521 and my service name is ORCL PDB1, that is my PDB. So I will connect with my sys user as a sysdba. I will enter the password. So now it is requiring me to set some basic things, that is my Apex static resource location, so which is my images location. For that it is on point 8 and I will put the 8, press the 8 button and click enter. So it will ask me the location of our Apex static resources. So for that I will go to my Apex 24.2 and my images folder. I can copy this folder from here, or I can also copy this images folder completely and paste it to my ORDS, but I will copy it from here and paste in the my static resource location. So we can also change our HTTP port, that is 8080. There is some encryption there, but it's clearly showing that 8080 is our default port. We can change that, but I'm going with that same default port. So I just press the enter to proceed. It will take a while to configure all the files. Okay, my standalone ORDS server is running now. If I go to my local host and 8080 with ORDS, so you can see my ORDS is running now. I will log into my internal database with the same username and password that I was set for my Apex 24.1, and you can see it's successfully loaded, and my Apex instance is also upgraded to the latest Oracle Apex 24.2. So in this way you can manually upgrade your instance. The Apex instance is upgraded. That's it for this video. If you like, don't forget to like, subscribe and share.